this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. SEKISUI Voltek develops, manufactures, and distributes the cross-linked closed-cell polyolefin foams that make your ideas a reality. As a recognized innovator with over 50 years of experience, they bring solutions to all markets and help create new and revolutionized product designs. They strive for excellence through the spirit of teamwork and are guided by the following principles: service, speed, and superiority. SEKISUI Voltek's polyolefin foams are used in a wide variety of applications that often get applied to components used in essential market segments such as medical, transportation, industrial, packaging, and printing. Polyolefin materials are one of several components used to manufacture products where cushioning, sound reduction, or foaming is required. Products using foam today include medical devices, automotive interiors, mounting tapes, flooring underlayment, and more. SEKISUI Voltek has their manufacturing facility located in Michigan, with sales offices throughout the United States, making them the leading manufacturer of cross-linked polyolefin foam in North and South America. As a high-performance plastics company within SEKISUI, they are an integral part of a worldwide network dedicated to problem-solving, continuous improvement, and complete customer satisfaction. Their dedicated workforce, complemented by the global network, brings together more brilliant minds than you ever thought possible. SEKISUI Voltek products create solutions for your needs and those of your customers. With their product lines, along with their access to a global network of SEKISUI companies, they can expand the solutions they can bring to you. Witness the magic SEKISUI Voltek can do for you by visiting them at sekisuivoltek.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.